Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to copy an audio link in Google Drive. This updated guide will make it easy for you to share your audio files with friends or colleagues. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a computer, simply navigate to the Google Drive website and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders. Next, find the audio file you want to share. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you've found the audio file, look for the three dots next to it. This icon represents more options. Now click on the three dots. A menu will appear with several options related to that file. This is where you can manage your file settings and sharing options. The next step is clicking on Copy Link. This action will generate a shareable link for your audio file. Once you click it, you'll see a message confirming that the link has been copied to your clipboard. This means it's ready for you to share. After copying the link, you can easily paste it into an email, a message, or anywhere else you want to share it. Just right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. That's all there is to it. You've successfully copied an audio link from Google Drive and can now share it with anyone you choose. Remember, if you want others to access the file, ensure that the sharing settings allow them to view or listen to it. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Google Drive effectively. Happy sharing!